Hello dear viewers, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can give your little one a haircut easily at home using hair clippers. Hair salons are all closed here in Sydney due to COVID lockdown, and now we don't have any choice left other than taking the control on hand. Though I'm doing my son's hairstyle since he was a month-old baby.
Are you ready, Leroy?
I really hope that you like the video. Let's go ahead and get started. I prefer to start with a medium-sized clipper guard to trim the long hair from the back. I will just go all the way up to the middle part of the head to chop extra long hair from the back. Next, I will be using the smallest clipper guard to clean 1/3 of the hair from the back. Here I am cleaning the neck, lower part of the head and sides of the ears using the smallest guard. To blend the bottom layer with the middle layer, I'm using the next size, that is size 2 guard. Depending on your choice, how long you want to keep front hair length, you can use number 7 or 8 clipper guard. Now to clean and shape the side of the ears, I am using right and left tapper guard. You can use a pair of scissors to shape the line straight if only you are comfortable and confident enough. I'm using the natural hairline as a guide. Don't overdo it. This part is optional. If you are confident enough, then you can use the scissor to layer the top part. Here is the final outcome. I really hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed it, then don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay tuned. Thank you.